Okay, I wanted to show you real quick how to change your student ID within ALEKS. Again, you cannot use your student ID that was given to you by the college. Okay, so you can't use the 900 number. You have to come up with a student ID that is specific to this class. Okay, so you're going to log in, put your login information in. You are going to go up here and go to settings and then click show institutions, hit edit here, and you should be able to change your ID here. So your ID that I want you to put in, I want you to put your street name that you live on. So I live on Wood Glen, okay, and then the year that you were born. So 1977. So mine would be Wood Glen, 1977. Again, the street that you live on, the year that you were born. Hit save. And now your ID will be good.